Hi, my friends. It's been about 2 weeks since I made a YouTube video. I was away visiting family. While I was, you can see Charlie redecorated the little rec room area with his Corvette stuff. So you may keep it like this, or you might see some of my prettier YouTube background things coming out. Today, we have a Stitch Fix unboxing. So stick around and we'll see what they sent me. Okay, first, off the bat, we have a handbag, and I love handbags. So I will give you it's very springy, very pretty. I will give you all the details about this little handbag as I try on the things. Already looking very promising. Okay. And as you know, we have our goodies telling me what's in here, the prices, and I'll read all of that to you as I try them on. I think everybody who watches pretty much knows that StitchFix is a styling service. And for $20, they will curate items, send them to you. It's based on what you say you like. You can request and decline certain items so they get your style. Tell them what you're looking for. And then we have, pretties starting to fall out here. All right, let's see what these are. While I'm doing this, I wanted to talk to you too. Remember our adorable little kitties, Marigold and Mitzi. They found a home and they got to go together. It's bittersweet. We are so happy for them. And for cats, we're getting to be a lot to handle, but we will probably foster again, especially we've had really good outcomes with the kittens that we fostered because we're patient and we wait for the right home to come along. And with this one, it's two young guys that just graduated from their master programs in college, and they're setting up their own home and wanted two cats, which was perfect. And they send us pictures. They're getting along really well. It's always good when they can go together because then they have each other to adjust to a new environment. Okay, so what do we have in here? Oh, silky. Very pretty dress. Ooh, lovely. I like the material. I like the color. Okay, try that on. Oh, yeah, this sweater, I actually did request it. Nice, because it's light enough that you can wear. You know how like restaurants are usually freezing in the summer with their AC blasting. So I like this. It's got a little tie in the front. I did see that and requested it. So very good. Then we have Days Denim. Okay, look nice. I don't know if I need new denim shorts, but they fit right. I just might. Oh, yeah. Okay, and I also requested these. So got us some colored jeans. All right. Well, we will try these on and I'll tell you all the details about them as I'm trying them on. I'm so glad to be back. When I first put this dress on, I didn't care for the fit, but after I adjusted it and wore it around a little bit, I actually kind of like it. So at first I thought it was way too big at the top, but it actually has these straps that you can adjust. So once I pulled them up, it fit a lot better in the top, and then I was able to smooth the bottom down some. So I actually don't mind the fit now. And I know you can see my clear bra straps here underneath. I don't care for that. I might have to go strapless. But it also has a lining. So it's got a lining, pretty short, but it's so see-through at the bottom. I'm glad it has a lining. If you'd be wearing it out, it would definitely be see-through. So I like these drop sleeves. They're very feminine and flirty. So I actually do think I like it. I like to get opinions too. Let me read to you about this. So it is the General Good, never heard of that. The General Good Solange Maxi Dress in fuchsia, size medium, and it's $69. So now I'm on the fence about it. Let me know what you think. So, pretty dress. I do like the colors, the fuchsia. I think it would be great in an outdoor event. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. Have you ever thought you're recording something and then it turns out you really weren't? That's what happened when I tried on these green jeans. So I have to re-record because when I went to edit everything, it wasn't there. All right, so I do like these. I like the fit. We've got pockets back here, pockets in the front, one of these little top pockets here. So I do like them. I like the color. It's a very light green. You know, it's not an in-your-face kind of green for the jeans. I tried it on originally with the different top, and I like this better. I had it tucked in and belted, and you'll see that when I read to you the information about it because for some reason that did record. So anyway, I like it better with this out instead of tucked in. And, you know, not of course with this top, but maybe with another top you could do kind of a front tuck and that would work too. Okay, we have the Silver Jeans Company. Is Beister ankle straight jean in light green. I do appreciate the light green is not so overwhelming. It's size 10, $74. So I'm not sure about the $74 part. I had never heard of that company before. I'm getting new companies this time from StitchFix, Silver Jeans Company. So I don't know what their prices normally run. I'll probably Google it. Okay, we have the jean shorts and the sweater, and then I want to show you the handbag up close. I'll be back. Okay, now we have the jean shorts, and the fit is pretty good. But if you've watched any of my videos, you know I don't like them too short, so they might be on the edge of being too short. But they do fit well. We've got front pockets. There's a little bit of distressing here and here. Back pockets that work. Oh, there's distressing here on the back pocket. But they're still kind of cute. And like I said, they fit well. Let me show you the sweater, and then I can read to you about both of those. The sweater, this is something that would just be perfect. And when I saw it on the Stitch Fix website, I, requested it because I just think it's something that would be great to have in your car. And you go into a restaurant where they've got the AC blaring and it gets too chilly. This is just a real simple sweater to throw on. And it's enough to keep you warm, to keep the chill off. The sleeves are a little bit long, so I'm not crazy about that part of it. Let me read to you about this. I think I'm going to take this off. It is pretty warm. These are the Days Denim Dad's Girl Eco Distress Cuffed Shorts in Indigo, size 10, $59. And then the sweater is Love Ellie Caressa tie front pointel crop sweater. It's white and medium, $45. So, let me show you the handbag. Like I said, I love the spring, very feminine colors. It's got two zipper sections here on the side, and then the main section. It would fit plenty, more than I need. I do like that. I'm very tempted. I'm a handbag girl. I didn't want to pull apart the chain till I'm sure. I'm getting pretty sure. The only drawback to me on this is it's got that hard plastic feel, and I'm funny about that, but I do like the colors. And then inside this pocket, we have another little area for your lip gloss. And then over here, we've got an area for money or credit cards, things like that. So I do like that. It is a crossbody. So you got your long chain here. Whew, let me talk to you about those. Oh, is that a tassel? No. It's a nice gold piece for the poles right here. Okay, tell you about this. So this is no, I already read that. 41 Hawthorne Rosette camera. Camera crossbody. It says white, but we see it's more than white. $55. So, all these temptations. Let me tell you everything. So, it would be, the total is $302 for everything. Mine is I would have a 25% discount if I purchased all 5 items. And then that would be $75.50 off. So $226.50 minus my styling fee of $20. I could get all of this for $206.50. Let me know what you would keep. I definitely am keeping that dress. After I adjusted the straps and got it to fit correctly, I'm keeping that dress. I'll have somewhere to wear it. And I'm not sure about the sweater, only because the sleeves are a little bit long. And then the shorts, I do not need them. I've got plenty of jean shorts. Crossbody, I'm really leaning towards. So the dress for sure, probably the crossbody. And then the light green jeans, I don't know if they're worth $74. I think if I knew the company better, so maybe I'll do a little bit of research and that'll help me in making my decision. Let me show you. They do, so StitchFix sends you, well, they have a little note on there from your stylist, but they also show you different ideas of how to wear the items. And I do like that. And if you go onto the website is so informative. And you can play the game every day of what you like. And then that kind of helps the algorithms, learn what your preferences are. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And I've had fun doing this as usual. I'm glad to be back. Hey, Catherine here, just popping back on because I forgot to tell y'all that I have a $25 off for your first box, and I'll put the link down below. So if you click on that, you will get $25 off your first box if you've never had a Stitch Fix box before. I wish I could offer it to everybody, but if you're new to Stitch Fix, you will get $25 off, and then they'll give me $25 off on my next order. So we can help each other out that way. Thanks.